spread out. We already have a bunch of ducks. We kicked some off at 4:30 when we got out here, or 4:45 when we started setting up. I think we'll have to wait a little bit longer so we can identify these deals. Hopefully we get some good footage. Our camera shut off last time. We only got one deal. But anyways, we'll see how it goes. That sounds like a deal. Much better. It's still a little dark for everything. But you always have to worry about them swimming up. They could have been sitting over there in those reeds and then worked their way over here once we settle down. It's 53. I know we're legal. Gives you shit. I haven't seen anything fly. If not, you're talking to someone who thinks they're talking to a duck too. Oh, right there. I'm like mildly worried that they're gonna swim in if they're bedded down over there in that grass. Left side, left side. I'm just going this way. Did you put paint on your face? 2 ducks. 3 ducks. Yo. No, the paint came off on your face. Okay. Yeah, it's like white as fuck. Did you not take the cover off? I didn't take the cover off. Yeah, let me see it. I like it in my nose. I want to be able to breathe today. There's 2 out front. It took off, damn it. It was itty fucking bitty. Yeah. Came in from behind us.
That's you, Joe. Oh,
She was sitting right in the decoys like I thought she was. Two of them.
Those are definitely teal. Definitely, yeah. It's gonna be.
Into my window, test them right behind
Yeah,
this.
we have to go quick.
Try not to shoot that much.
Above us, definitely teal.
Get to circle. That was probably close enough. Shot three. It's hard. Can't see them. I've got a snake in my blind bag. What? A barrel snake. Oh. What? Right.
God, I'm a terrible shot.
Those things are kind of big, Go.
Were they?
Look how big they are.
That was teal. You don't think so?
I thought they were teal.
I thought they were teal. They look the right color and everything.
Look at.
Cody said those were kind of big. We won't know. Definitely a 3-pack of teal. They're hauling ass.
Oh, fuck, look at. Everything's starting to fly now. Big ass ducks. There's one right in front of us. That's a deal. Oh, he's coming back down. He's out front. It's a deal. He's on it right now. He's way out there.
Ready?
Yep.
Hold on.
I think he's right up there. See him? Just get him to take off.
Definitely a teal.
Mm-hmm.
Still ready to shoot that duck,
He's still just sitting out there. What? Gotta get him off the water first. He took off the other way, damn it. Fucking blew off that way, damn it.
Hey, good. Nice shot. Nice shot. Is he banded?
No, he's alive though.
What is this?
Those are vultures.
That's fucking creepy.
Blood and the water around it was pretty cool.
Wasn't it? Little green head. That's a green head. We shot blue wing last time. You move in your bag? Oh, you don't like it? That's creepy. Great new production of these close quarter. That's not okay. Do vultures migrate?
Do what?
Do vultures migrate?
Probably.
Where do I put this thing? Just in the grass?
Just back there in the grass. I'm creeped out by these vultures. Just worry about. Those two are definitely kill, right? Shoot. Got them both. I'll go get that one.
Dude, oh my god. I think you and I both hit that one, Kyle.
The size.
Yeah.
Those are teal.
I don't know. Circling.
Definitely teal. Thank you. There, we got two.
I two
we
for
got
one.
three.
Hey, no, water slap that. That one's definitely half-ass
You got
alive, Joe.
Get ready, Joe.
I'm not gonna lie.
We got three.
I felt nervous about that shot across you guys, but I feel like I took two with one.
Definitely don't know about that shot.
I apologize.
I felt it with my hand.
Well, I was like touching you right here.
And there's my hands here.
Yeah,
No.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Kyle.
Okay, how do we get better?
That's some good footage. We need to spread out a little bit.
Yeah.
Hey, Joe, you're gonna have to chase that one.
You might as well swap that one, Joe. No, we're gonna scoot out.
Yeah, you better get it before it takes off. Two more?
Up. Yeah, Cody, stay there. I'll try to scoot. Wasn't ready for it to flop with a headshot. Those worked perfect.
They did.
Yeah, we're trying to scoot back or something. He's dead. He's just got nerves. Here you go.
Got another blue wing.
More teal above you, Joe.
I think we just need to do this.
Yeah.
I'll try to move over right where you were at.
I'm just gonna scoot back.
Yeah. Don't want me to take your hand off today?
Look at that. Joe, get in here.
Oh my god. Full of water.
Yeah, stay right where you're at, or go farther in.
I was gonna kind of turn and get these ducks right behind me.
Yeah.
Oh, those are the. Kind of say we leave them this time.
Here's 2 right here.
3.
3.
Here, Joe. I'll hand you each share. Give me a second.
Joe, do you want to go to that other pile right there?
Jojo.
And we're spread out a little more so we're not shooting on top of each other.
Yeah, I about took Kyle's finger off.
It's still good shooting. We still feel hidden. Those work amazing.
Here.
This is much better.
Good one here. Get it in the pile.
We got 4 now?
4.
Who's that little one? Who's expensive?
Yeah, dude, you.
Fucking hit him with the TSS.
Did you not see me miss?
He missed once, dude.
Yeah, you flopped right as I shot and I missed. It was like 10 feet away.
I'm not gonna lie. I watched that and I was like, damn, he just missed that motherfucker.
This is good because I'll let you have any of this. Everything seems to be working this way.
Oh shit. Whew. Yikes, I'm on the damn.
Yeah. Well, I shot 3 TSSs at that one. Got him.
Yikes.
Dude, there is more feeling here right now.
Good feelings. Haven't had to do this in a while.
Yeah.
This is my pouch.
Okay, this is a lot better shooting. How wet you get?
Pretty wet.
Did it get in your waders?
No, no, just straight up my
Soaky wet if it makes you feel any better.
straight up my arm, dog.
Next time I'm wearing swimming shorts. 'Cause this is not-
I'm wearing shorts underneath my shit.
you can wear shorts.
Cody said you have to take these 2 home. Yeah, this is a lot better shooting lanes. A lot better shooting lanes.
We just in the water now. Fuck it.
Yeah, I'm just thinking. Half on the shirt.
I'm
I can stand up faster this way.
Those did it fucking nasty. Every group. If we get that. And that was a good log. The landing gear was out.
Hey, might send them this way.
Oh, there's a duck, I think. Yeah.
Where do you
Teal,
find
teal right out front, Cody. Cody, jump up and shoot. Teal.
Where?
He's
Oh.
up there.
I see him. Oh shit. He's wounded.
Water swimming. He's wounded. You get to him. Aim low. Aim low.
Barely caught him again. He's running. Again. Joe, where's your special rounds at, damn it? I did too.
Stood up and all the water was rushed down my foot.
Yeah, I hate where I'm sitting, but oh well. I'm dry. Kyle. He's not even moving. Shoot that fish. Okay, there we go.
One of those Asian carp jumps when I get scared.
I don't think we're gonna get much meat off of that one. We at the 5 now? I've got 4 in my pile, I think. You're good. That's gonna be literally, there's like 5 minutes of footage of him trying to shoot that duck. We got 2 green wings, 2 blues. And then Kyle's bringing the 5th one in now. Damn, bro, your gun is in the water. We got a blue or a green? Another blue or a green?
Green.
1, 2, well, 3 greens, 2 blues. One more and we got a 1-person limit today. That looks blue to me, you colorblind fuck.
At least it's not blue wing teal season.
Huh?
At least we don't have green wing teal season.
I know, right? That would be bullshit. Oh, fuck.
No! The gun is safe.
How are you waiting?
They're wet.
How's your everything?
Everything else is fine.
Damn, bro.
That's fine.
Oh my god, look at him.
Okay, when I stood up from kneeling, all the water just went down my leg. So,
Well, guys, I got that on video. I was staring right at you when you dropped.
I'll make a good blooper.
I was gonna go right after you shoot the duck 5 times.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Dude, it's peppering all around it. Like, I don't know.
You good, dog? How much water's in your pants?
A lot.
This is the best duck hunt we've had all year.
Oh, that's all the fuck.
Oh, no.
I knew it was there too.
The stick? I didn't know there was a stick
Big
there. I'm
stick.
kind of glad I know it now.
Big stick.
There's one right over here, too.
Waterproof camera.
Yeah, my phone's probably.
It should be safe.
You should be waterproof. What we have found 5?
Yep, we've got, we have 3.
Okay, what's a Drake teal look like? 'Cause I don't think we've shot one.
I think they kind of look the same, I thought.
It looks the same. You have Drake teals out there in the decoys.
I saved the shotgun.
Yeah, I saw that. I thought the duck was gone. Shoved him down into the
Well, I
dirt.
did shove him down. He floats. Dude, yeah, look at mine. My water was all around him. My wad was.
Here's black cloud.
I finally got him in the head. I'm not hot anymore.
Next time I'll walk out there.
I'm not hot anymore.
In defense, I had to do all the walking last time, so.
Oh no, we're making it all the way over.
That's what I was worried about that one.
Yeah, it's not
Just,
deep.
fucking deep.
We definitely could have made
Got
it across.
scared.
Yeah, I think we could have made it, especially where I was.
Yeah.
It was way shallow over
Yeah.
here.
This is like a high point. I think this is probably what Cole.
Walked across.
The geese were on the refuge probably. When Cole was trying to shoot them.
Well, I think this is good, right? You want to go on this side of the island?
Yeah. So I thought when we were setting up, I could see taillights across in the camping area this whole time. With the island and shit, we're definitely good.
Yeah, I think this whole other island we could talk
Ducks, don't worry.
Yeah.
Part of being a film guy.
Part of being the film guy. I'm not gonna lie, I want to watch the footage back, but I think that one where you thought I almost shot your hand, I think I hit both of those with the one shot.
You might have. I felt the shot there.
How is it? Good angle? Yeah. Yikes. This is the struggle, people. Gotta undo the cameras just to get them fucking...
Overcast. A couple walls.
If I fall, we're gonna be buying new batteries. These are our new Enduro batteries that I gave you guys a thing on. We'll see how they work. Alright, all you're gonna have to do is hit record once you get it set back up. Oh shit, hold on. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off.
Okay.
Then you can turn it back on. and then hit record. All right, we got. You got a foot in the boot?
Past almost to my knee. I like it more.
Well, boys, this. Are you looking straight at me? Bring it back just a tad.
Back?
Right there. You gotta turn it on first. I turned it. Hold on. You're recording, you're recording. Well, we got a blooper. Kyle over here is soaking wet. Joe over here has been wet since we got here because he can't find the hole in his waders, so. I'm pretty dry. Pretty dry.
Put the Sitka waders in the Amazon cart if anyone wants to buy them.
If you put it in the Amazon cart on the iPad, don't ask about the bill.
Yeah, put a pair in there for me.
Huh?
Put a pair in there for me. Quantity 3.
Quantity 3. One size 13, one size 12, one size 11.
14.
Huh?
14, please.
Yikes. No wonder. Yeah. I'm gonna have to record a video for the people so they can see how Dad and Dad over here go hunting with a child, because my waders are 2 feet off the floor. Oh man, been a good morning. We out here sitting in the water. I'm literally sitting in the water. My chair's sinking slowly.
Wet.
God damn it, Kyle, I just bought that.
Overcast is nice.
Yeah, it is. It would be hot as fuck right now if it wasn't.
If you get too hot, just take a dip.
I'm good.
I got a little cooled.
I think I'll wait. It's gonna be a lot better this way though, because we'll get 2 different angles on everything.
Yeah.
That would have been a good one if we left it where it was the last time, because then it would have caught that teal.
You should put it on the log. Oh, it says right in it you can shoot cinnamon teal. No calls, no nothing. 2 out in front.
I know you got to be wet because my arm is still wet.
I'm soaked. Your arm's wet?
Yeah, when I fell off my chair.
Yep, that's the one that goes viral, the one we fall in the fucking water.
I'm gonna try to edit that into a reel and a YouTube short and a TikTok.
Yeah, everything. That's amazing. What's that one? There's that one. Bang! Bow!
Too bad we couldn't get sponsored by this jerky company. Yeah. Joe, you want me to toss you the bag closed? Oh, hold on. Oh. No man's land, a real man's jerky. You got a shoe on it. The official jerky of the average hunter. We're gonna be shooting commercials, boys. kind of dangerous.
No, not kind of. It was.
I apologize. I was a little antsy.
But yeah, if we're on the island, the sun won't be in our eyes if it's not cloudy.
Yeah, if we just set up right there and it's nice and shallow, we could sit on our chair still without having to hire one.
Yeah.
Not as much cover as we have right here, though.
I got nice cover. I mean, we've had every set.
I like having all this.
The only thing I don't like is right now you guys can see quite a bit more than me until you're like, take them, and all of a sudden there's 6 of them right in front of me. I didn't even see them at all.
I didn't see those until we just stood up.
They're coming from your side.
Yeah, but I'm literally 2 feet. These are right in my face.
Yeah, they've been coming from there.
Oh, I'm not looking over there. I'm looking out there. God, I'm gonna be fishing for my chair by the end of this. Sometimes I don't know if I'm even sitting back down on it or not.
Just got log perfectly. One more bunch. Okay, so take them. Dude, those fucking did it.
That one's that one's wounded as fuck, and he landed over on the other side.
Holy my god.
He's all the way by the island.
I think
I got 2, I think.
where they at? There's some big ducks.
There's one right out in front of us.
Hold on, is there 3 more little ducks? Yeah. 3 little, 3 big. See if I can get this one real quick.
What?
Alright, go get him.
Dude, I gotta go way the fuck over there for that one. He got wounded and he landed by that tree.
We can leave him. We can get him alive. Just add one to him.
I think so. Blue wing. That one went down, but he glided over to the... Alright, where's the fucking tree at?
It's right there by you.
Another teal.
3 over here too. Let them land and then jump up if they're gonna come in that hot.
I feel like I could have took some...
Right here. Take them. Bam! Can't fucking tell me I ain't shooting those bitches.
Yeah, but he's alive.
Get him? Yeah, you get him.
3 more?
Yeah.
3 more circling the island?
He's dead, he's dead. I think he's 4 high.
Circling? Oh, almost. Hold on.
Okay, finally. We got some swash going on. The balls are fucking tingling.
Just have to fall in the water. It's good luck.
Dude, this is a hunt. This is a hunt.
What was that about footage? You can't see me.
They are doing a nasty deacon. Nasty deacon. Our hide's good, yeah. We're just hiding in this marsh. We're literally just in the water.
Yeah, I mean, we're all sitting underwater now.
Oh, fell.
You're full of water. Is that a big rock?
Yeah. Joe said he's sitting on a massive rock. God, we are fucking shooting some ducks.
Yeah, no, I've got 6 right here. 7. We got 2 hiding in the reeds over there that are dead or dying.
Next weekend, but
Huh?
I ain't planning on hunting next weekend. Next weekend's the last weekend.
We found this honey hole here, man. Look at this bleep. She's gorgeous. She's nice and she's plump and fat. Look at that wing. She's looking into my soul. Gorgeous. All these other ones are very, very mutilated. She's big too, compared to the rest of these.
Yeah.
She's about to lay some eggs.
There's no doubt in my mind.
Joe, I think you're right. That one needs mounted.
Yeah, I've never seen a teal that big. It's a different blue. It's like lighter.
She's pretty.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Gonna have duck breast for dinner.
Yeah.
Should have brought the Blackstone. We could have fried them up right on the back of the truck.
I think if you cut them, I mean, I know these are small, but maybe cut them in half even. Soak them in buttermilk for whatever, 2 hours, and then yeah, just literally fry them. Fuck, it's good.
Just the breast, or?
Yeah.
No, is that my mojo? Take them. Oh, Joe! What the sh?
Dang it, I'm out. Damn it, dude, that one is taking off. I'm gonna have to walk all the way around the island for it. Hey, while you're over there, look for those other 2. Yeah. Look at it moving. I think they're right up under those trees or something. 'Cause this is where those other ones went too. I'm gonna leave this thing right here real quick. Are they going up or are they going around the corner? Where's this?
I was getting ready to shoot him and he disappeared in his lead.
Where's it stop? The public.
I think we're good.
Oh, we could have set up right here, dude.
Yeah. There should be a buoy over here somewhere.
Look at that scat.
Okay, so is that the boat ramp right there?
Yep.
Oh, there's the buoy.
Where?
Way over there. I think we can hunt all this.
Look at that log. So, I think they got to be in this grass, right?
Well,
Or they're
I don't
on the
think they're
island.
bank or not.
I don't think we can get up
You
onto the
walk
bank.
through the grass.
Yep, just wait for some motion, I guess. Don't let me forget the one I stuck in the reeds over there.
It also could be dead now.
All of them. Got eaten by a turtle already. Damn, that's a lot of walking, Joe. No, I mean, it's fun. I got him.
Yeah, that's the one we got.
It's the ones that we keep getting away.
Yeah, I'm just gonna start shooting them in the water. But my gun was empty, or I would have shot him quicker.
I thought about shooting again, but Joe had already started walking out.
I was getting ready to shoot him, and then I almost fell, and I looked back up, and he's gone. Yeah, which way's that going?
Says it's not coming this way.
Where's the radar still?
Yeah, look at it while I shoot these two ducks.
I can flip this out and the spider jumped out.
Oh, I thought you flipped your phone into the water. Oh. They get down heavy. Whew. That's a workout.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, why do you guys always keep giving me all the birds?
I'm getting a handful.
You guys
I'm
don't
the
want
only
to clean
one
them?
who'll eat 'em.
Well, Journey loves duck.
Yeah.
She was like, oh, we can have duck later? Yes. I was like, it's one duck, Journey, and it's not even enough breast to make you full. I still have that in my free. It's only a week old, so I'll probably fry it up the rest.
Now we have a mess. How many you got in the stack now?
8?
You can't clean that one, Teal.
Get that thing.
Yeah, go get it.
We got 2.
Did we shoot a drake yet?
Nope.
They are teal.
Yes, they are teal.
Both blue wings?
Yep.
Is there one on, you ate the one I was supposed to select last week.
I did. You were supposed to take it home with you.
My freezer can't have dead animals.
That's why I have 3 freezers. I have one freezer for dead wild game, and then one for pork and one for beef.
Pretty.
Yeah, one's pretty nice. I thought I saw 2 out there, I just couldn't tell.
At least they just died too, instead of not dying.
Yeah, there's 3 of them on this island. Oh, that's handy.
That's a good log.
That's
right
actually
there.
kind of pretty
That's
sweet.
pretty cool, yeah.
That was pretty smart. Good,
That's
yeah,
a
I
good
like
idea.
that. Checking for bands?
No bands.
No bands.
Got a little deep over there.
I saw you put your hand up at one point. I was like, oh no.
I was throwing 2 because I saw 2 birds as I was walking up.
I only saw the back one fall. I never saw
The front one was in the weeds.
They were low though, so
They were